Respected principal, teachers, and all peoples, have a very good morning to all of you. My name is Prabjot. I read in 10th class. I study in Government Senior Secondary School, Chingadkala. Today, my topic is National Water Day. National Water Day is celebrated every year with a particular theme. It not only encourages the youth to participate in the electoral process, but also focus that the right to vote is the basic rights. This is the 10th National Voters Day. National Voters Day history. 25 January is the foundation day of the Election Commission of India, which come into existence in 1950. This day was first celebrated in 2011 to encourage young voters to make part in the electoral process. No doubt it is the day to celebrate the right to vote and also the democracy of India. Election Commission's main objective is to increase the enrollment of voters, especially the eligible ones. Let us tell you that earlier the eligibility age of the voters was 21 years, but in 1988 it was lowered to 18 years. 61st Amendment Bill of 1998 lowered the voters' day eligibility age of India. National Voter Day significance. India is a democratic country. Every citizen has basic rights to vote. He as she has rights to select his leaders to whomever they think is capable of leading the nation, solve the problems of common people, bring about change, etc. National Voters Day is a significant root of India, as future of the country lies in the leader that we choose. Just think once that if we do not come to forward and choose the right leaders, then the progress and development of the country we will be we will be also affect the people of the country who decided various basic big projects and survival things. If a basic system will not be developed properly, it may lead builder builder construction of roads,